Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can fix X/Twitter age verification problem. So first up, just open X app. And then what you have to do is just go to settings and privacy by just simply pressing on this icon on the corner. And then right over here, you just need to press on settings and privacy. And then you need to go to your account and then account information, and then you need to add in your date of birth. So if you can't see the date of birth option, it means X can detect your age, so it will block the sensitivity content by default. So just simply add in your age, and you're good after that. Now what you need to do is you need to enable sensitive content. Now you need to go to settings and then privacy and security right over here, and then you need to go to content you see, and then just simply turn on all of these display media that may contain sensitive content. So just simply turn them on. So obviously I have the age verification thing, so I can do this, but yeah, you have to do this. Now if it's still not working and it still has this problem, what you can do, just restart or reinstall the app. iPhone bugs sometime. Just simply delete the X app, reinstall from App Store, and log in again. And then verify your age probability. So if it asks for a selfie or verification, just simply verify it and show them and help them. And then try changing your network, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to check, or if you even got VPN turned off, just simply turn it off. And the last method is just simply log out and log back in. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this